In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Blackbox AI in coding. We'll walk through installing the Blackbox AI extension in Visual Studio Code and sending your first request so you can get helpful coding suggestions right where you work. Start by opening Visual Studio Code on your computer. If you're new to it, it's the blue icon with angled brackets. Make sure you're in a project folder or at least have a file open so Blackbox has some context when you start asking for help. On the left side of VS Code, look for the extensions icon in the activity bar. It looks like four squares with one slightly separated. Click that to open the extensions view. This is where you can browse and add tools to your editor. In the search bar at the top of the extensions view, type Blackbox AI. You should see an extension named Blackbox AI appear in the results. This is the one that will add AI-assisted coding features to your editor, such as generating code snippets, explaining code, and answering programming questions. Click Install on the Blackbox AI extension page. When prompted, choose Trust Publisher and install. This confirmation is VS Code's way of making sure you're comfortable adding software from that provider. Trusting the publisher allows the extension to be installed and integrated into your editor. Now wait a few moments for the installation to complete. The download and setup can take a bit depending on your internet speed. You'll know it's ready when the install button changes state and you see new Blackbox options added to the sidebar or your editor. Once installed, look to the left side of VS Code for the Blackbox's panel. Open it and you'll find a text box where you can ask Blackbox to do anything related to coding. This can be as simple as write a JavaScript function that debounces a callback, or explain what this Python loop is doing, or suggest a SQL query to aggregate daily totals. The clearer your request, the better the result. Mention the language, any libraries you're using, and what you want the output to look like. When your message is ready, click Send Message. Blackbox will process your request and return an answer right in the panel. Review the response carefully. If it provides code, would read through it. Make sure it fits your project, and adapt naming or imports as needed. You can ask follow-up questions if you need edits or explanations. As a best practice, never paste sensitive information into prompts, and always test generated code in your development environment. That's it. Open VS Code, add the Blackbox AI extension, ask your question, and click Send. You're ready to accelerate your coding with AI assistance.